Darlings, quick interruption before the video starts. Please no. These are closet cosplays. These look bad. But enjoy the video.
Telemachus is a twink.
What? Hello, darlings. Hermes, messenger of Olympus, and by far the best god to exist. I am here with a mortal, one of my favorite mortals. Telemachus.
No, not the best god. It's Athena. If I need to tell your father about the things you've been through, I will. No.
Okay, see? Okay, darling. Everything's fine. Oh, that's your foot. There was a disclaimer at the beginning of the video why these are so bad, so...
Don't question.
Don't come at me, darling. I know where you live.
Don't question.
Yes. Yeah. And plus,
Not a femboy.
I can be the best. Because, you know, I helped them to see us get home.
Athena's still better.
Oh, yeah.
She
But-
trained him.
Darling, how did Little Wolf go? How
We
did
don't talk about that. That was my first encounter with Athena.
Yeah, but still, you know, darling, she trained your dad, and look how he turned out.
Oh, shush.
Right,
Look
now,
how you turned out.
we're... Okay. I've been a I've been a mischief maker since I was born. I stole Apollo's cattle, like, the day I was born. So, darling, we're gonna get our supplies. We're gonna get our supplies, darling, and then we're gonna... We'll be right back.
Ben.
I swear. Cookies. Parchment paper. Now, darlings, the baking commences. Oh, no. Get those open, darling. I don't really have much to do. I just put the parchment paper in. But that needs to be flipped. Oh, wow, you need to use scissors, darling.
Oh, shush. You.
What does that mean?
Bye-bye to your arm.
No.
Well, it's a little bit dangerous, my friend. You need a mindset change for this.
Okay, I got them out. You wanna try one?
Oh, why, of course, darling. Good shit.
Telemachus and Hermes approved.
Right now, darling, we need to space these out evenly. How long does it take you to eat? I don't know. Like, I get I'm the god of speed, but come on, you can eat faster than that. Piece of straightest. Hey. Darling, we might need to do a second batch because I'm running out of room. I hope these are spaced out enough. What do we... Okay. How do I preheat the oven again, darling?
No.
Okay, hold on. I forgot how to preheat. I'll be right back. Okay, there we go, darlings.
Yeah, we had to get some advice.
I had to go ask Hera. Stepmother?
Yeah.
Is Hera my stepmother, darling? Okay,
Yeah.
whatever. One moment.
Help me. Help. Dangerous, my friend. You need a mindset change for this. You cannot get away with playing safe for this. You wanna get home.
It's all on the line. It's gonna rain in it.
Remember every trick in your domain for this. You gotta treat it like it is the main. You wanna
I'm so fired, darling.
all on the love. I'm dangerous.
Alright, I'm in. What do I do?
Uncharted water. When you're lost, look towards the sky. Follow the north star. Think you go, you keep on rolling. Straight like around the isle. We take it, we choose. Fight, Wanna be a man and fight, fight, fight. You've made your worst mistake. It might be your last one. You'll have run out of bones to bring. When you and I are through, I'll teach you
Please.
all the lessons your daddy
Hermes
never
beats me.
This cruel world doesn't
I don't,
give
darling.
out presents
He's
just
also a hypocrite.
Darling, how could you? I'm a diva.
Hypocrite.
Okay.
He shames me on the stuff I do with Antonius, but he does stuff with Poseidon.
No, I don't, darling. It's Cersei.
My ex-wife.
Ew, Athena.
No, I want to hear Athena.
Whoa.
I'm sad now.
Just give us you that one.
Okay, that's just cool.
How long does this oven take to preheat? I'm gonna tweak. At this point, we're not gonna have a second batch because we keep eating these things.
You ate too. I didn't.
Why go commercial when you can have all the comforts?
Okay.
You were right by me from soft. Your dead friends can attest. Hey, put your emotions aside. You're a warrior, mentally the rest. I don't know where
See how fast Athena left you there?
I want ya, and
You just like your dad left.
now I'm gone.
I'm sorry. Darling, I'm sorry.
Don't know what your place is. This way, you can't cross the line. This way, when all is over, you'll keep yours and I'll keep mine. This way, you won't disappoint me. This way,
I don't know why we started spinning.
Someone dies, I'm let you deal with the strain. You walk, close the door.
Yeah, darling.
I don't know why we started spinning.
Someone dies, I'm let you deal with the strain. You walk, close the door.
Yeah, darling. Yes, you are.
Ow, ow, ow. Please, ow. Ow, ow. You're so glad I didn't just fall into that.
Well, concussion time. It's time for a concussion. Why are you standing like that? You're weird. You're so weird, darling. Why are you so weird?
I'm not autistic.
You're autistic, darling. You're very autistic. Alright, you know what, darlings? We'll be back once this oven's finished preheating, because honestly, this is taking forever.
I'm bored.
Yeah. We'll be right back. Guess what's done preheating, darlings? That was only a couple seconds for you guys, but for us, that was like 10 minutes.
It took way too long.
But we're back. And now it's time to put these into the oven. Actually, I might need to pull up a timer. Stupid chair. Now we're gonna start off with like. I'm gonna put that as 13 minutes. You're gonna start with that. But what? Yes, it's 13 to 17 minutes on there.
Okay.
Nice, darling. Guys, we forgot to take the pans out of the oven.
No.
We'll be right back. We got the pans out, but they might burn. See, the table's fine. The table's fine.
Probably put the cloth under the pan.
Cloth? I think you mean cloth.
I'm gonna lift it. Okay. Put that in first, and then.
I don't like heat. Oh, I just shifted.
Fine. Don't be a baby.
Right down. What the?
Okay. Bring the cloth under.
Okay, so it goes.
Put it under. So it doesn't.
Yeah. And now, for 13 agonizing minutes, we'll be back. We're back, darlings, and it's time to take out the cookies.
Look at them.
Oh.
Didn't you just say you don't like heat?
Yes, I don't like heat, but I'm gonna do this anyway. Look how scrumptious they look.
Like.
I don't know. Do you think they need a couple more minutes or something? Look at this. I mean, darling, I can give you a fork, but
Yeah, they need more time.
they need more time.
Yeah.
Guys. Well, I guess we can stay here because it's literally only like 3 minutes. Oh, that vibrated. That shook the whole phone.
Hey, I'm dancing here. Look how short he is compared to me.
SpongeBob. SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
What's going on?
Yo, what are you doing?
What is that sound? I've never watched Queso before.
Think that I should hit it.
Was that the bite of 87?
Maybe.
FNAF reference. FNAF reference, darling. You uncultured swines. Some of you wouldn't get it. Well, darling. Why is the fork still here?
Leave it there.
Talk for me all you want, darling. I don't really care. That's not even on me, but okay. Alright, should we check them now? Sure. Check. Who's the fuck? Chicken?
Very gooey.
Well, who doesn't like gooey cookies?
Yeah, okay, we can just take them out.
Alright, let's get this workspace clean. You all have been a witness to us making beautiful, glorious cookies. This
Yeah.
video is probably only like over 10 minutes long, but yeah.
It's okay, but we'll record more videos.
Wow, that's hot. Ow. My hands, that burns.
Stop doing that.
Guys, my hand touched the pan and I just yeeted the claw.
He did.
Oh.
Okay. Where's the fork? This is our sacrifice. It's exciting.
Stop. You're going to get this like smited. Here, do you want the other half of this?
Sure. No. It's approved.
Somehow we managed to not start a fire.
Somehow. Don't know how. But hey,
But-
that's good.
Well, this has been fun.
My cookie's falling apart.
Oh shit. Guys, my finger kind of burns, but whatever. This has been fun, darlings. But this has been Hermes.
And Telemachus.
And we'll see you next time. Who knows what is in store?
Beep boop.